Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your Battlenet password. Go ahead and open up your Battlenet application. In the right corner you should see your username. Go ahead and click on that. It'll open up the drop down menu. From there, click on the view account selection. That's going to open up a browser window and take you to your account information. From there, on the left hand side, go to security and you should see the password change option. It'll be labeled to update. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to prompt you to enter your current password. Go ahead and do that. Once you've entered your information, ensure that it's correct. Go ahead and click on save, and it'll say your password was successfully updated once you've done so correctly. But it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.